Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So, when we need, in order to resize our document for printing, enlarge it, to increase the size of the documents, the size of text letters, whereas to the maximum size, to maximize this fully, most fully. There are too many programs, common, not common, payable, not payable, but there is program like EarFanView. EarFanView is the most correct program I've ever used. It has possibilities that no other programs, even that cost too much money, cannot allow you. So, for example, what I mean that with this program you can increase, look at the mouse, you can increase document, not just like increase page size or zoom or zoom in, or for example increase from top to bottom. Yes, sometimes you can just do in some programs, but you cannot increase it like zoom in, then increase to the left, and increase to the right, and increase to the top, and increase to the bottom. So 4 types of increasing, plus increasing with zoom. So I make different, I want to state, to emphasize the different documents have different resolution. In this program you can see the resolution of the documents. So when creating, even if the resolution is quite similar to the previous document, when you create some saved types of increasing, sometimes you cannot use it because it won't be suitable for other documents. So let's print, for example. Okay, here I have, it's good that you can save what you need. So I'm going to load. Already done. So you see the situation. See the situation. Width of the document you can change to understand. Then height of the document and the left margin. Also you need to put this when you play with this. So such a situation you can measure it in centimeters or inches for people who prefer. Then resultant image size on paper you can understand. This is for A5 type. I made this because I did this. Also here you can borderless print, and you can select if you. Also you can do in other way. So you see it's a maximum size printing, not to miss some words when printing, because sometimes after some pages printer can omit some words, letters, because too fast printing. So such a situation. And we have another document. Let me show you. You see the resolution on the left, in the left corner. Now you have different, quite a little bit higher resolution, and you see this resolution I had saved here with this type. And when I load it, you see it's not suitable for this document, because it will be such size on page A5. So here, in this way, you see, for this document you need to, I did this with this scale. Here I did this with custom, with previous type. Here you see sizes. Here I selected borderless printing instead. There is no center vertical. Again, I'm loading. See what was there. Now I go to this another document. Put on printing. You see the page that words, letters, sentences, whole sentences go beyond the page, so they won't be printed. Now I'm going to load this. Now it is maximized. And now I'm going to load this for previous document, and we will see what will happen. You see, it's too large now. Everything will be emitted. Also, if you have some problems with printing sometimes destructible pages, you need to prepare back page. You know, the page you look, and then when you turn it to the left, you have like a back page, they call it. So for example, this is back page. You see the types, numbers here, measurements for general printing double size, and this is for back page. I am loading, and you see this. Here this good as the preview is very little yet, but it is available, so you can work with it. So I appeal, and I believe this is the most correct program that you can deal with to make most maximum size of text. For example, like a Bible, I want to increase it to the maximum size on A5 size paper, or A4 size, or A3 size. Not, you know, Bible is very little. In a very little worth most Bibles, so that people don't look at them because it's too hard to read for people who are not used to work for God, who are not used to be grown up in Christian life, in God's life, in religious life, you know. So that's for Bible. For any other books that you need to increase the text in order to read it good. So this program, as you see, it is called ИНСТРУКЦИЯ. You can visit official website. So just Google ИНСТРУКЦИЯ official website, and you will see the website and all the rest. So glorify the God.